In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error RG45 on chess.com. This is a common issue that many users face and it can be quite frustrating. The error RG45 typically signals a problem related to your account's history on chess.com. This might be because of past violations of the platform's fair play rules, or perhaps an account closure due to abusive behavior in the past. Understanding this context is crucial before we dive into the steps for resolving it. First, let's address how you can seek help from chess.com's support team to resolve this error. Open your preferred internet browser and type chess.com into the address bar. When the chess.com homepage loads, take a moment to scroll down to the bottom left of the page. Here, you'll find the support link. Clicking on it will initiate the next steps of your journey to resolution. Upon clicking the support link, a new window will emerge on your screen. It's crucial to stay on track here. Locate and click on Contact Support. This is your gateway to engaging directly with the chess.com support team. As soon as you do this, a fresh chat window will appear, inviting you to specify the nature of your request. In this new chat window, you'll be greeted with a prompt asking how the support team can assist you. This is your chance to clearly state that you are facing an error RG45 and that you're looking to recover your account. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible to help the support team understand your situation better. After describing the issue, mention specifically that your aim is to recover your account. This will set the right expectations and guide the support team in their approach to solving your problem. The support team will then get to work, investigating the cause of the error and assisting you in resolving it. Remember, the support team is there to help, so be patient and cooperative throughout the process. To recap, resolving error RG45 on chess.com involves opening the chess.com webpage, navigating to the support link at the bottom left corner of the site, clicking on Contact Support, and then clearly explaining your case to the team. With a little patience and clear communication, you should be able to address the error and regain access to your account. Thanks for watching and happy gaming on chess.com.